This video is a collab with Little Softy. Make sure to subscribe her. She posts aesthetic videos on skincare, fashion, and makeup. Today we've got something special for you. The ultimate guide to achieving that Wonyoungism glow up. Welcome to our channel and make sure to subscribe it if you haven't yet. This video will cover skincare, hair, fashion, healthy lifestyle, mindset, and academics. So grab your favorite drink and let's dive in. Now you might be wondering, what's the hype around Wonyoungism? Simply put, it's all about embracing positive changes in various aspects of your life to enhance your overall well-being. Think of it as a holistic approach to self-improvement that goes beyond just physical appearance. Skincare. First things first, let's talk about that radiant skin. Wonyoung swears by a diligent skincare routine, from double cleansing to hydrating masks to expensive beauty treatments. But not everyone can afford them, so in this video we'll share affordable skincare routine and some natural remedies. Follow a CTM skincare routine, which stands for cleansing, toning, and moisturization. And don't forget sunscreen. Massage your face regularly with aloe vera gel or moisturizer to get that glowing skin. And for those dark circles, you can use cucumber slices, aloe vera gel, green tea, or sweet almond oil. Do you want soft and pink lips? Then apply honey and leave it overnight. You can also rub a slice of beetroot or green tea bag. If you want more tips, check out this video on our channel. Struggling with acne? Then fear not. You can use honey, apply it on pimple, and leave it on for 10-15 minutes, then rinse with warm water. Hair. Now let's talk about the crowning glory, hair. Wonyoung often rocks sleek ponytails, low ponytails, half up, half down ponytails, pigtails, and half twin pigtails. You can also opt for cute hair accessories like hairpins, bows, and headbands. You can use natural remedies for your hair problems instead of expensive treatments. You can use aloe vera mask for split ends. Mix aloe vera gel with castor or olive oil. Massage it on your hair from root to tips and leave it on for about an hour. If you have frizzy hair, then try hot oil therapy. Take 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil and heat it lightly. Massage your hair, then leave it for a few hours, preferably overnight. Fashion. Ever wondered how Wonyoung always looks effortlessly chic? The way you dress can play a huge role on how others perceive you and how you feel about yourself. So always dress in a way that makes you feel confident. Wonyoung often wears florals, plaids, and bright pastel colors. She also wears jeans and skirts paired with cute crop tops. Invest in classic pieces that will remain timeless, like turtleneck, a polo blouse, and a plain crop top. You can also opt for berets and sunglasses to add a nice touch to your outfit. Healthy lifestyle. Let's talk about healthy lifestyle now. First of all, make sure to take enough beauty sleep and drink lots of water to keep yourself hydrated. They say you are what you eat, right? Adopt a balanced and nutritious diet that includes a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Limit sugar and junk food and try to eat less salt to avoid having high blood pressure. Now it's time to break a sweat. Wonyoung's favorite workout is Pilates, but you do you. It could be anything: dancing, swimming, biking, or playing sports, as long as you enjoy it. Aim for at least 60 minutes of exercise every other day. Mindset. The foundation of Wonyoungism is a positive mindset. You are you and I'm me. So stop comparing yourself with others and ignore what other people think or say about you. And focus on yourself. What's important is what you think about yourself. Be the girl you'd admire. Surround yourself with positive people who uplift and support you, and cut off negative people from your life. Set clear boundaries and learn to say no when necessary. Academics. Now let's talk about, last but not least, academics. Beauty is nothing without brains, so it's the most important. Whether you're a high school student or a college goer, these tips are going to be your secret weapon to conquer the academic realm. Organize your space. Picture this: a cluttered room with scattered notes. Does that sound like your study space? Well, it's time for a makeover. Organize your space, declutter the chaos, and create a study sanctuary. A tidy space equals a tidy mind, making it easier to focus and absorb information. Master the art of note-taking. Now let's talk about note-taking. Ditch the outdated method of copying the entire textbook. Instead, focus on keywords, summaries, and personal insights. This not only saves time, but also helps you retain information better. Effective time management. Time management, a phrase thrown around a lot but often overlooked. Break down your study sessions into manageable chunks with short breaks in between. Use Pomodoro technique. It's like interval training for your brain, keeping you sharp and focused. Understand, don't memorize. Memorizing is so last century. Understand the concepts. Connect the dots. When you grasp the why and how behind the information, it sticks. Think of it as building a mental puzzle rather than cramming random pieces into your brain. It's not a memory test, it's a journey of understanding. Embrace the power of technology. Say hello to our friend, technology. Leverage apps and online resources that make studying more engaging. From flashcards to interactive quizzes, the digital world is your academic playground. Just be mindful of the rabbit holes. We're here to study, not scroll endlessly. Set realistic goals. Goals, your roadmap to success. Break down your larger academic objectives into smaller, achievable goals. Celebrate each victory along the way. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and your GPA won't be either. Find your study style. Are you a night owl or an early bird? Do you thrive in silence or need a bit of background music? Discover your study style. Experiment and tailor your environment to suit your preferences. It's like finding the perfect playlist for your brain. Collaborate and seek help. It's okay to ask for help. Join study groups, seek guidance from teachers, or connect with classmates. Learning is a collaborative journey, not a solo mission. Embrace the power of teamwork and watch your understanding and grades soar. Remember, it's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. So, go ahead, apply these tips, and let the academic adventure begin. And there you have it, the ultimate Wonyoungism glow-up guide. Remember, it's completely normal to feel insecure or self-conscious about yourself, but don't let it define your self-worth. You are more than your skin, and imperfections are a natural part of being a human. Accept yourself for who you are, including your strengths, weaknesses, quirks, and imperfections. This journey is uniquely yours. Embrace it, celebrate your individuality, and let the world see your radiance. If you made it till the end, include this emoji in your comment, and let us know which topic you'd like to see in the next video. Until next time, stay glowing.